Let's make this creamy, flavorful and spicy lentil curry known as Dal Makhni. You can enjoy it with some steamed rice or any form of bread like naan, roti, paratha, dinner rolls, whatever you feel like. Hello everyone, I'm Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. For Dal Makhni, take 1 cup of black urad beans. This is basically whole black urad dal, very common in Indian cuisine. You can grab a packet from any Indian store around you. This looks exactly similar to moong beans, just the color difference. Then take 1/3 cup of red kidney beans. You can also use pinto beans here. Then add 3 teaspoons of chana dal. Only 2 to 3 teaspoons guys, not more than that. This will give a good binding to the curry. Then take some water and rub and wash it thoroughly for at least 2 to 3 times. Washing the lentils thoroughly is extremely important. Then fill the bowl with water and let all these lentils soak for at least 7 to 8 hours or overnight. Well, I personally prefer overnight soaking as it gives you perfectly soaked lentils every time. So this is the next morning and look, my lentils look so nicely soaked. These urad beans have also become greenish from black. So this is the sign urad beans or dal has been soaked perfectly. Now the next step is to wash it once more and then boil it properly. We need to boil all the lentils until nice and mushy. So I'm boiling the lentils in my pressure cooker. Make sure to give 7 to 8 or maybe up to 10 whistles in order to get that mushy dal. So add some water. Water should be around 1 inch above the lentil level. Then add 1 teaspoon salt, around 3/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. This will give nice and vibrant color to the curry. Half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, a small cube of butter and 1 teaspoon ghee. Stir everything once, then close and seal the lid properly and let it cook for 7 to 8 whistles. Meanwhile, let's prepare our tadka. In a pan, take 1 teaspoon oil and 1 teaspoon ghee. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon each of grated ginger and garlic. Let it cook and slightly change the color. Then add 1/3 teaspoon asafoetida followed by 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Stir and cook everything for a few seconds. Then add freshly prepared puree of 2 to 3 large sized tomatoes. If possible, please take those round red tomatoes, the one which are tangy and juicy and not the hybrid or Roma tomatoes. So please keep this thing in mind. Now add some salt and cook the tomatoes properly until they become dry. Proper cooking of tomato puree is very important in Dal Makhni, so please be mindful. Alright, now let's check our lentils here. Look how nicely all 3 lentils have been cooked and become nice and mushy. I'll show you. See, this is how we want them to be. Also, our sauce looks perfect here. Everything has cooked perfectly with no rawness of tomatoes as well. So it's the time to dump in all the cooked lentils directly into this sauce. There we go. Pour in all the cooked lentils along with its water left in the pressure cooker. In fact, add 1 more glass of water into the curry and I'll tell you why. This is because the secret of a good creamy dal makhni starts from here. We need to cook this dal makhni on low flame for a good 30 to 45 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. The more you allow dal makhni to cook on lowest flame, the more delicious it comes out to be. Do not forget to give it a stir every 4 to 5 minutes. You can check and adjust for the salt here and that's it. Serve it hot with an extra dollop of butter and a garnish of fresh cream and enjoy.